Hi guys, in this video I would like to show to you on how to make a carpet with Vray Fur. Okay, so first thing you need to create a carpet. This size is 2 meter times 2 meter. Then you need to group this carpet. Then only that we can apply this add fur to selection. Okay, so fur has been applied to this object. So we go to the Variance Asset Editor, and first thing you can create a material, generic material, and we can name it as carpet solid color. Okay, then click to the right flyout and change the diffuse color to the color that you want. So I think I want to use this red color. Okay, then right click, apply to selection. Okay, so you go to the interactive render to see the result. Okay, so this is the carpet with fur. We set a scene first. Maybe something like this. Okay, add scene. Okay, now we just need to edit this fur. So you can go to the geometries fur, the parameter here. So for the distribution parameter, I just use this per area. So count per area I increase to, let's say, 15, and we see the result. Okay, alright, I think this should be okay. Okay, I think we need to set a second scene. Let's set a second scene. Okay, okay, so you can adjust this length, the strand length, make it 1 to make it shorter. Okay, and then the thickness we can adjust maybe around 0.15. Okay, if you want to make it a little bit smaller, you can make it 1. Okay, I update the scene first. Okay, then the taper, I try to make it 0.5, so the strand is like more to a cylindrical shape. Or maybe the thickness you can make it 0.05. Let's see. Okay, then I just stick to the 0.1. As you can see, in this view looks okay. Okay, go back to scene 1. So the gravity, I just remain as it is, the -3. If you want to change, if you use the 1, so the strength will be more spiky. So I don't want this to be in this carpet. Maybe I will make it -1. Okay. For bend, I just use this 0.5. If you want to make it a little bit bend, you can just adjust it to 0.8. And you see the strain being bent a bit. Okay. So for the global scale, I just maintain it 1 and the knots with 5. Okay. Alright. So for this carpet, I think I don't want to change for the variance and other. Also no need to activate the curve. So the variance just like this, 0.4, 0.2, thickness 0.2, and the gravity is 0.3. So this is the basic to make a carpet with Vray Fur. You see, right? We try to render. Okay, I just set the image to 2000, the 16:9 widescreen, to make it a bigger picture. Okay, we will be back right after the rendering finish. Okay, just finish the render for the solid color carpet. So this is the carpet that we created. You see, right, how the strain is distributed. Okay, that's all for this video. Carpet with solid color. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.